Now I'll take you through how to change the particulate filter and screen. The dust particles inside the engine will be extracted via a vacuum system, and they'll end up in this area here. They'll be pulled from the top to the bottom, so there's a couple of things we need to do as far as maintenance goes. Inside this area here, there's a screen that needs to be cleaned, and to access that area, you just need to undo the 2 screws by turning them to the left, and be careful not to drop them, and remove the cover. The screen is just here at the bottom. Over time, the screen can become caked up with some stray dust particles and particles that are being pulled through this filtration system. So you need to take this over to the top of a chemical waste bin, and with a dry bristle brush, just give it a really good brush and a wipe over, and then you can replace it back inside the engine. If it's caked up so much that you can't remove it, you'll need to replace this screen. Once clean, replace it back inside the engine, and then replace the cover. You'll notice that I'm not wearing gloves, and that's because the particles now in this part of the engine are cured, so you don't really need to wear gloves when you're here. Makes it a little bit easier when you're handling the screws. The next area to access is the filter system down the bottom here. So again, just remove the screw by twisting it to the left, taking off the cover, and then pulling out the box. The larger particles of dust are caught up here in the top, and the smaller ones drop through into this area here. This is a completely replaceable part, so just take the part out and pop it into the chemical waste bin and replace a completely new box. Into here. Time to pop the cover on. The top part of the cover needs to go into the machine first. And then replace the screw. So once you've performed the task, you just need to close the door, go back into the Tools menu, into the Operator Maintenance, select Particulate Filter and Screen. It asks, has the particulate filter and screen been replaced and cleaned? And you need to select yes.